Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable call forwarding on iOS 26. To do it, go to the settings first. Now, scroll all the way down to apps. Now find phone, and I'm gonna use this slider on the side to find the P letter, then phone, and now find call forwarding. It's right here. Let's wait a moment, it has to load to read the data from the SIM card. I have that already enabled. I can click on forward to and then type in the number to forward to. Then you can simply just go back and wait a moment. It'll update itself shortly. If it doesn't show the number, like once you go back it doesn't show the number here, just wait for a minute and see if it has changed. If it hasn't, then try again, because writing data to a SIM card isn't always like something that works perfectly, but I hope it'll work for you, and that'll forward the calls if you can't answer them to a different phone number. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.